Today I teach you chapter 4. Today's topic are nationalism grew through literary works and paintings. In the 19th century, Indian literature aroused national consciousness among the people of India. A host of literary men like Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Gaganendranath, Abhinandranath Tagore aroused nationalism through his writings and paintings. Bankim Chandra's Ananda Math played an important role in generating nationalism among the Indians. The famous song Bande Mataram, which featured in his novel Ananda Math, became the national hymn. It was in the 20th century that with the growth of nationalism, the identity of India came to be associated with the image of Bharat Mata. Rabindranath's vision of nation and nationalism found expression in his novel Gora. Bartaman Bharat by Swami Vivekananda contains deep feelings on nation, national and political issues. Its conclusion paragraph is addressed to every Indians, urging them to rise and awake to the national ideal of identity with the Indian heritage. Rabindranath's novel Gora had expressed the message of liberal nationalism instead of aggressive nationalism. The background of the novel portrayed the picture of religious conflicts among the Hindus and the people of other religions like Islam, Christianity, Brahmanism, etc. Gora is the central figure of the novel, who emerged as a liberal character, abolished all such religious conflicts and differences among the peoples in that period, and championed secularism and dedicated himself to the service of the country. The famous painting of Bharat Mata by Abhinandranath Tagore, originally called Matri Murti, was done in Japanese style in 1905. Bharat Mata was dressed in saffron like Hindu's nun, portrayed as the goddess of prosperity, and had 4 hands holding a book and a bunch of paddy in her left hand, a piece of cloth and rosary in her right hand. There were lotuses in her feet. The painting Bharat Mata reminds us the first stanza of Bande Mataram, and it expressed the concept of eternal mother who was seeking liberation through his sons. Thus the painting of him was successful in generating patriotism and nationalism among the people of India. Gaganendranath Tagore, through his cartoons, Shobar Opore Charka, Pakka Poriborton, China Putul, University Machine, etc., made mockery of the colonial society, which can be found in the pages of Modern Review, Nabohullur, Probashi, Biro Bajro, etc. He inspired the future cartoonists of Bengal like Jyotirindranath Sen, Chondi Lahiri, etc. He criticized the foreign rule, the weakness of Swadeshis, the Babu culture of that period, and also his uncle Rabindranath Tagore and even the Charka of Gandhiji. Swami Vivekananda's Swadeshi mantra reminds our countrymen to take pride of their roots and values and urges to take pride in having born as an Indian, irrespective of whether they are poor or rich. So, the chapter today I have finished, and in the next video I will teach you chapter 5. Thank you.